So guys, ang apply natin ngayon guys, tumaas tayo ng apply our voltage guys. Our voltage now guys is 28 voltage. Our amperes is 420. So 420 amperes. This is a peeling this one. So our voltage is 28. So look at guys. So you have idea about AGW automatic girth welding. So our travel is 32 guys. 32 travel, 420 amperes and 28 voltage. So look at the result guys. This is the result. You will remove the plugs. Very easy to remove guys. This is a peeling. This is third pass from routing. So routing, hot pass, and this is a peeling. This is peeling guys. This is a third pass guys from routing. So routing, hot pass, and peeling. So this is a peeling. That is the result guys. Look at the result. So that is our result guys. So I hope you have idea about AGW. So this is automatic girth welding. Submerge ito guys, submerge. So ipakita ko sa inyo guys ang hot pass. Oh, this is the hot pass. So this is the hot pass. So now we are third layer, peeling. We are now peeling. I hope guys, meron na kayong matutunan. So you have learned a lot of this automatic girth welding. So ginawa ko tong video guys. I make this video for sharing to all welders who like learn about this automatic girth welding. Look at the result guys. That is a third pass from routing. So this is peeling. So again guys, our voltage is 28 our voltage. Our amperes is 420. Our travel is 32. So our travel guys is depends upon the bevel. So if bevel is big, so you just slow travel. So that is our amperes and voltage. So look at the result guys. This is the result again. So very easy to remove guys, the plugs. So look at, very shiny. Very shiny guys. That is third pass from routing. That is third pass from routing. So that is the result. I show also guys the peeling, the final capping after this finish peeling.